Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the doorbell from TECKNET, and it has a really interesting technology. It operates without any battery in here. It just creates some sort of electricity when you press it, and I'll send a signal to this receiver and they will operate as a doorbell. I'll show you in just a second. Is this a sticker? No. You do have some glue if you don't want to use any screws, which is good. You get the bigger one, or actually this is glue end. Probably you can use the sticker, or you just use this tiny bit. So yeah, that's nice that they've included. They give you 3 years warranty, and that's the manual. So let's have a quick look. I just want to see the range first, if it does say. So it has a music button, a volume button, that's the transmitter, and that's how much it consumes. The device is already paired, and they also show you how to pair it if in case you have any problems. But does it say how far it goes? It goes pretty loud, but what kind of range it is? Yeah, anyway, if I find it anywhere, I'll just mentioning it. Cool. You get the screws and glue if you want to use that alternative. So that's the transmitter and that's the receiver. It's quite basic the way it works, and the receiver